Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and if you need to remove or replace your armrest lid guys, the one that opens and closes for the armrest compartment, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Sometimes the leather will crack, will break, so you need to remove it, or the latch will be broken, it will not close. So we'll show you how to do that on Dodge Dart today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy replacement tools, new armrest, lid, parts, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all that for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So we have here 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be working on, but it should cover the whole generation. The armrest lid cover I'm talking about, okay, it's this one. Okay, right here, yours could be cracked, broken, the mechanism could be broken, the latch could be broken, and we will explain guys what needs to be done to actually remove that whole assembly. So let me show you. We need to come to the back seat guys. Okay, and once you come to the back seat of your car, okay, here we have one cover that we need to get loose with a plastic panel removal tool. We have 4 clips, 2 on the left side, 1 on the and 2 on the right side. Now check it out, 2 of them stay here, 2 of the plastic white ones are missing, so push them in, get them out, and install them guys on that piece. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see guys, here on the back side we have a Torx, okay, and this is probably 20. Okay, Torx 20 start looking big guys, it looks very small, and by removing that cover we can access that. You have the cigarette lighter here as well. This is the USB and auxiliary guys, auxiliary port as well, but unfortunately if you need to replace that, we have a video on the channel. We have to remove the whole center console, and we have the video on the channel that explains how to do that. So Torx 20 start looking big guys. Okay, let's go ahead and remove. Okay, let's go the other way. Yep, 1 out, 2, number 2 now, 3, number 4, and then we have number 5 guys. 5 screws that we need to remove. This is spring loaded, so it's going to come loose. What I recommend to have the lid open. If you have the armrest lid open, actually you don't need to worry about that. So you can see guys, that's how you remove the whole assembly. Now if you want to see how to actually replace the armrest lid only guys, we have the video on the channel as well. We'll be taking it completely apart, so check it out. We'll be uploading it very soon. But that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.